Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, and it is Wednesday, Hump Day, on December 3rd, the first hump day of the month. So that's got to be meaningful. Anyway, I want to talk about Tesla here. The stock is, the moving averages are almost ready to do a, quote, bearish crossover. And that's oh my gosh, that's a really, really ominous thing. You hear, you probably hear somebody on in the financial media world talking about a bearish crossover on Tesla, and this is the first time that's happened, blah, blah, blah. Okay. In this case, I think actually they're right. And the reason that I'm saying that is because a lot of times bearish crossovers where the 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average, a lot of times those are actually great buy signals because it's such a stinking lagging indicator. But you think about that, and what happens a lot is that the reason it's actually a buy as opposed to a sell is the stock's been oscillating so much that the 50-day moving average is like way up here, 200-day moving average is clear down here, and by the time the 50-day moving average swings down and crosses over, the stock, which had been trading down here, is so oversold that it's time to buy it. In this case, though, we don't have that. We actually have the 50-day drifting lower, the 200-day just kind of flat. We've got a series of lower highs. There's your flat base right there, but the stock's starting to drift lower, and you've got some supply here. Okay, so I think this stock, and I like Tesla. I haven't done well trading this stock the last 3 quarters. First quarter, I made a lot of money on it. So did anybody else who was long. That doesn't mark me as a brilliant trader. Just marks me as a guy who was long Tesla options. But here I'm looking at this. This is a lot of supply here. I think Tesla is something that you want to sell into any strength. Don't just sell it now, because the stock did gap down. Okay, it opened at 226.03. It traded down 53 cents before moving higher. So we could see a little bounce in this stock, but I would just suggest that you look to sell this into any strength. Maybe get off a short. It just depends. I don't know what the stock's going to look like now. I wouldn't be shorting it now. But if it moved up to into the 230s, close to 240, and then started looking like it was rolling over, that's a short that you're probably going to want to consider. Anyway, okay, listen, we're sending out, I don't know if we've already sent it out or if we're going to send it out, just a video essentially telling you, if you're not a member, really, really consider trying the 30-day free trial for Stock Market Mentor. I work my asterisk off here, and so does my brother Gary. We're really working to give you the best trading tactics, advice, mentorship, etc. that we can, and you can try it for 30 days, and it doesn't even cost you anything. And so, if you like this type of video, they're 20-25 minutes long, which, by the way, you can play in fast speed, so you don't have to listen to me drone on in my Willie Nelson, John Ritter voice for that long. Anyway, you just might want to give it a try. That's all I'm saying. I'm not going to bang the table on it. I did that on the other video, so I'm just humbly and gently suggesting that you like these free videos. You can get free videos for a month. Longer videos if you just try it out. So anyway, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.